Barney's Halloween Party. Once a year on Halloween night, pumpkins and scarecrows come into sight. There are spiders and ghosts to decorate the room. Barney better hurry, his friends are coming soon. There's a knock at the door. Who can it be? A princess? A pirate? Who else do you see? There are pumpkins to carve with bright shining faces. Where should we put them? We know many good places. Let's stuff a scarecrow and sit him up tall. He wears a straw hat and blue overalls. Barney plays music for a Halloween dance. Look at the friends as they skip, twirl, and prance. A Halloween moon lights up the sky. Let's trick or treat at houses nearby. We'll knock on the door and shout, "Trick or treat! Now open your bags for good things to eat." We see monsters and ghosts as we walk down the street. What other friends do you think we will meet? Our bags are now full and it's getting late. Time to go home. Trick-or-treating was great. Halloween night is almost done, so blow out the candles. Barney hopes you had fun. Happy Halloween! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.